Good afternoon. We are right now on Route 23 in New Jersey heading west. We are going over to High Points Monument. So, welcome to another episode of On the Other Side of the Road, the location series. And here's our entrance into the park. Now, this part of the park is way up in the northwestern corner of New Jersey, near the Wantage township, I guess. The land of this state park sits at the three corners, which is New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York. It meets all at, I would say on the New York side, it would be Port Jervis. So as we're coming into the park, we should see some cool scenic views as we travel on this road leading up to the monument. As you can see, there's a rider up ahead. I guess he's going where we're going. Check out that monument. They seem to have pretty much a lot of amenities in here. As you can see to the right there, passing that little location or the hut for picnicking. I guess families can come in, drive in with their stuff, and throw some picnics here. I also did some other research and found that this location here has also playgrounds for the kids. Seems like a bit of a drive to get up to the monument. Gotta keep going on this road. On my map is showing, it's a little bit of a ways up ahead. And there to the right is Lake Marcia. Seems like a pretty big lake, if you ask me. And what else I found out about this lake is they have a beach. So obviously you can go and swim in it. It seems like it's very family friendly here. And it's something for everybody here, you know. Come down with your family in the car. Bring your picnic stuff, you know. Have a good time. There's trails in here as well. Oh, look at that. I can see right through the trees. I see the pin right there on the right. How cool is that? Wow, that's a tall ass tower. Well, we're at the top of the lake right now, and my GPS is saying I still got a half mile to go from here. It seems that it was about a mile and a half total from Route 23 into the park and getting to the parking lot where we're heading to right now. Okay, it's showing that we are at the end. Should be a parking lot right up ahead over this hill. Yep, as the sign says, straight ahead. Let's see here. I don't want to really park in the parking lot. I guess I'm gonna have to. The last thing I need is for a state park to come say, "Hey, why you parked there?" and give me a ticket or something. Might as well just go all the way in. Yes, I'm one of those guys that just want to make everything convenient and just park and be close to my bike. And I don't want it to get hit. That's all I need is someone to swing a door open and bang it right into somewhere on my bike. Alright, this seems like a good spot right here. Hey, what's up my viewers? So we're over here at High Points Monument in New Jersey right now, bringing you another episode of Location Series on the Other Side of the Road. So right here, you see it? We're gonna go up there and check that out. We have some scenic overlook right here. Look at this beautiful shot over here of the land. Let's look at that. All right. Got a lot of tourism coming down here. Take a walk up this way here. Yeah, that's a pretty tall pin. It's called High Point Monument. This park was designed by two brothers. I'll give you a little more description in a little bit. First, let's go check it out. So I'm gonna catch you when I'm up there, okay? Yeah, it's pretty tall. Look at that. The Olmsted brothers from Boston were tasked to make this land look beautiful and design it. Frederick Law Olmsted is their father, who designed Central Park in New York City. The monument stands at 1,803 feet above sea level. Wow, look at this. This is a nice panoramic view here. Wow, look at it, you can see a town right over there. Well, there it is, High Point Monument in High Point State Park in the northwestern part of New Jersey. I hope that you enjoyed this episode of Location Series, and for all you motorbikers out there, I hope you can see this video and come down yourself and check it out. You know, I do these videos for riders that do not have any destinations and don't know where they're going, if they are solo riders. Junior here from On the Other Side of the Road, signing out. And as always, rubber down and be safe. Until the next one.